Welcome to Buleleng. Den Bukit is another name for Buleleng Regency. Den which mean north and Bukit which mean highlands or hill. Buleleng is famous for her tourist attraction and natural beauty which attracts tourists. One of them is the Banumalu Waterfall. This waterfall is located in Wanagiri Village, Sukasada District, Buleleng Regency. Banumalu Waterfall is located at the bottom of a valley which consists of three falls. The largest and tallest is right in the middle, while the smaller ones are in between. This is the Banumalu Waterfall. Heaven on earth is the only word I can say. Water that breaks the silence, weeping birds surrounded in warm sunshine. What a relief to see such full world away from the city. Flying in the wind, the waving leaves as if to greet me. Nature seems to attract me to dance, accompanied by the gurgling water and the rhythm of birdsong. Me and Banumalu Waterfall. In addition to twin waterfalls, Buleleng also has twin lakes not far from Banumalu. That is Lake Buyan and Lake Tamblingan. The two lakes are located side by side and are so beautiful that they are only separated by a narrow strip of forest about 1 kilometer. Visitors can camp and enjoy the astonishing view of the lake surrounded by forests. Not far from it, there is a suitable place to visit is Wanagiri Hidden Hill. This place is very popular because of the plentiful Instagrammable photo spot. Ajung is a crab that shaped like a ship bow, available for a spectacular photo spot that mimics the style of the iconic Titanic movie, with Lake Buyan in the background. Not only that, the swing that exercises adrenaline is also one of the objects that most visitors find it attractive. My story at Dan Bukit isn't over. Her charm made me fall in love even more. I look forward to saying the story of you and the island of Bali. This is Buleleng.